Thank you, everyone. So maybe a quick word of introduction, why we exist at Trinergy. So first of all, we see on the real estate market that building managers and property managers, every day they need to produce more effort, more services, and all the same by consuming less. So the question is, can we combine progress and sustainability together? At Trinergy, we are convinced that innovation is not really a risk, but it's an opportunity and a solution. So our mission really is, we try to optimize energy consumption, but also all kind of spend around consumption and prices for all buildings. And at the same time, we try to help property and building managers to improve their own business processes through robotic process automation and digitization. So how do we do that? We have three value propositions. First of all, we manage energy contracts and all kind of spend contracts on your behalf, property and building managers. So we take care of procurement and we help you better purchase, and we negotiate better prices for you on your behalf, but also we implement a sustainable sourcing strategy. Second hand, we provide a solution as a service platform, a web platform, where you can do two things. First of all, you can analyze all of your consumptions with KPIs, alarming and cost allocation. And at the same time, we digitalize all of your invoices, which provide a tremendous savings in time for accounting purposes and so on. The idea around this is, at the end of the day, we try to improve your energy management with digital processes, so you're more efficient, and we try to reduce altogether CO2 emissions. So if you allow me, how do I switch? Arrêtez. I will share the very brief.
You can share again the screen, and you still have.
Yes. Do you see my screen, Noemi?
Yes. Perfect.
Wonderful. So very quickly, a live demo, because it's better than a lot of words. So within the platform, you can see all of your buildings. Every building is one piece of master data. So you see within this building, Basilic 2, for instance, you have all the invoices, all the technical data that are basically grouped in one and the same record. So for this building, you can see that there is some gas and 2 gas and 1 electricity meters. And there is 132 invoices that have been totally swallowed and managed by your system. So you can hop into the system saying, okay, well, this invoice is for this type of service. So this enables, at the crossroads of technical data and invoice data, to jump into very powerful analysis. So you jump in the same tool and you can analyze with a BI system all of your consumptions by building and by type of consumption. So this enables you with one click to basically compare all of your buildings and to see trends in cost spending and also in euros spent and in consumption in kilowatt hours, in cubic meters, and all kind of KPIs for the entire fleet of your building. Secondly, you can have within the same system all of your invoices regrouped, for instance, by supplier, where, for instance, you can see all the expenses for this lift provider, and you can have the same analysis based on this vendor. So the idea is to regroup in one and the same platform data coming from your suppliers, data coming from your building management system, as we can see here. If I can move this, if you can see within this other building, you have 19 submeters, which are basically linked to a BMS or GTC system. And those information within, for instance, this meter, we can see that the records flow into the platform on a daily basis, which enables you in the end, and now I need to switch to Excel, sorry. Écran partagé. To one of the final results. Noemi, you see my Excel sheet?
I confirm, yes.
Wonderful. So in the end, you produce very easy reporting totally automatically through the engine, which, for instance, I have an example of Bâtiment 1, 2, 3, where you can see all of the readings of the building coming from BMS systems, but also coming from supplier information. And you can have all of your cost allocation information with electricity, with gas. So you can see, for instance, we can see the COVID impact here in terms of kilowatt hour per square meter for this building that dropped last year. And you can see all the gas consumption, the electricity consumption, but also by tenant, so by user for first floor, second floor, and everything in one and the same reporting and in one and the same platform.